The island of Cozumel is best known for its amazing year-round scuba diving on Mexico's Caribbean coast. With fantastic drift dives, great visibility, vibrant coral and sponges, shipwrecks, and an assortment of amazing marine life like nurse sharks, sea turtles, rays, and barracuda. With over 40 different reefs, you can find something enjoyable for all skill levels. If you're new to diving or have been out of the water for a while and want to do an easy dive, there are some fun shore reefs available to you. You can simply take your gear to Tikila or Sunset Bar, where you can find some interesting underwater sculptures, hoops you can swim through, and tons of fun fish to watch. To get the most of the reefs in Cozumel, you'll definitely want to hop onto a boat. If you're still a beginner, Chankanaab is the perfect reef for you. It's only 10 to 14 meters deep and has a very mild current. Here you'll find scattered coral that are home to some huge schools of fish. Paso de Cedral has a heavy current, so be prepared for a drift dive. It sits around 15 to 22 meters deep and can be done as both a wall dive or over the reef, which consists of a mile of sloping hills covered in sponges and coral. If you're lucky, you might spot nurse sharks or sea turtles. Just north of Paso de Cedral is La Francesa. You can find this easy to navigate reef that's only 9 to 15 meters deep with a small drop-off. Make your way along the ledge past large barrel coral, lobsters, and large fish until you reach the shallows. Here, you're likely to spot sea turtles. Punta Tunich is similar to Paso de Cedral and sits around 15 to 30 meters deep. You'll see large, sloping hills of sponges and coral, which are home to an abundance of fish. Keep your eyes peeled for large sea life like turtles, barracuda, and nurse sharks. Yucab is 15 to 18 meters deep and is home to some stunning towers of coral reef. In some areas, when the current is mild, you can manage to swim through the overhangs. Yucab generally has a strong current, which encourages healthy reef growth and is home to eels and unique fish. The Santa Rosa Wall is one of Cozumel's signature dives, and you definitely don't want to miss this one. The wall is steep and plunges well over 30 meters deep. It feels like you're flying along a cliff with a strong current. There are beautiful swim-throughs that take you from the wall back to the sandy shallows where you can find stingrays and turtles. Palancar is hands down one of the most gorgeous and unique reefs on the island. It has skyscraper-high towers that are teeming with vibrant coral. There are many caves and overhangs that you can swim through and explore. While the fish life in this area is not as great as other reefs, the tall coral formations and the plants and creatures attached to them make this a very memorable dive. The Felipe shipwreck sits between 15 to 22 meters deep and is a 56-meter-long Mexican Navy minesweeper that was sunk in June of 2000. You can swim around the wreck, and if you're wreck certified, you can go inside as well. Sponges and coral are starting to form thick colonies on the metal of the wreck, and you might find a hidden barracuda or two.